All right, meteorologist Dean Davis and the Weather Pros, responding fire. We're going to be talking about what's going to be happening over the next few days, which includes the potential for a storm this weekend here in the East Coast. We'll keep an eye on it. We'll keep a look at it. Starting to show up more on this. The pattern's going to be in good shape, so we're going to have to see how it all operates. But we'll continue to show you what's going to happen. We're going to see some snow falling through tomorrow, right along near Minneapolis. Then I'll move to the east. We will see an effect here from the Hudson Valley over to Massachusetts. So I see some snow in the Massachusetts area. That would be on Tuesday. Wednesday, we get another shot of, looks like a lot of lake effect snow here along the lakes. Possibly gets into the area of Massachusetts. It may just be rain on that situation. This is what starts the problem. Okay, this is Thursday. You have that cold air now in place, and we're going to have a storm system start to form near Texas. And we know what happens when this happens. We have the issue of snowfall trying to start. And this could be parts of far southeast. Far southeast. Sorry about that. Missouri, then it would move over into the Virginia area, and then you see this could be also some heavier snowfall Roanoke and south, and we also see some snow moving up towards the Delaware Valley. And this continues into Sunday and even into Monday with a couple waves of snow in it. It looks like southern Jersey will be the cutoff point. We'll see what happens. But it would also get windy because of the high and the low being close together. That's a possibility coming on this weekend. We got to be real careful with that. We get another clipper come through, and we'll be starting to set up again with cold air all the way into Florida with a chance of snow more often. So we'll back this up a little bit and get closer in. So this will be Saturday. You can see actually the snow starts overspreading the area pretty early on Saturday and it continues into Sunday. This continues into 7. It's heavier Sunday. It then gets into Monday. I'm going to be very blunt here. Take this with the grain of salt. So far out, this is likely to change. But the models I have to show you on this run, like I said, if this does occur, and I'm having a hard time with it. It's starting to come around with it. Not as certain as the last storm for sure. And yeah, like I said, this is putting out outrageous totals also. And I'm going to just go through a couple of different models with that. It's just, I have a hard time believing it with the model data. It's just starting to come around for me to clinch on and say it's a possibility that we'll see a storm. 2 days ago, it didn't look as likely. That I'll tell you for sure. And like I said, you would take this with a grain of salt, but anywhere, 7, 8 inches, 20 inches on the last one. Like I said, it's so far out. I don't take any of this stuff serious at this point. Numbers shouldn't be what we're looking at. This is not a forecast. It's just a model outlook on if this situation exactly happened, how it looks on this model, what we would see. And like I said, we can then go to other models, and it's not looking as promising. It's very difficult in that situation to even think about numbers now. Just know that there is a chance we're going to see a winter system this weekend. That's the main thing we got to take out of this. Will we see snow? That's still to be determined. We get closer to probably Wednesday, I could give you more firm believability. Like the last storm, this could be very much changed in a couple days. So we're watching it closely, and we will continue to do that. But just make sure you keep that in the back of your mind that there may is the key word, be a storm next weekend. We'll keep an eye on it. We'll let you know as soon as we know more. Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros. Like I said, do not model hug. And these numbers are only if this would occur in this exact location where this model occurs. Remember, we are short on forecasters analyzing this data. We're putting this data through the system because of the government shutdown. So there's a lot of things that are more into this one than what's the last one. So please do not take any of those numbers that you saw as what's going to happen. But do realize there may be a accumulating system this weekend. Meteorologist Dean Davison, thanks for watching.